Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine. And in today's video, I'll be showing you DraftKings how to convert crowns. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over and open up your DraftKings app, and now be sure to be logged into your account as well. Now once you're logged into your account, what you need to do is just simply tap on the rewards option on the bottom right corner of the screen. Now once you're inside your rewards, what you need to do is select the tab My Rewards, and under it you'll be seeing your available crowns. Now all you gotta do is click on Redeem Now. Now once you tap on Redeem Now, here you'll be provided with two options, that is your DK dollars or casino credits. Now you can select the method that you want to redeem your accounts. Let's say you selected the DK dollars, simply tap on it, and once you tap on DK dollars, all you gotta do now is just select the amount of crowns that you want to redeem. Now once you have selected the amount, simply tap on redeem, and once you tap on redeem, here you will be asked for your confirmation of your redemption. Now all you gotta do is just simply tap on confirm, and then you have successfully redeemed your crowns. And that's basically how to do it, and that's basically how to convert your crowns. And that's it for today's video, guys. This video was useful to you, leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.